Hey guys, Tim Richardson here with Scenario Trainer, hanging out at the Hold the Line conference for Canine in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Ran into some really cool technology. I want to introduce you to Paul Curtis, the Sniff Industries guys. Tell us a little bit about what you got going on. This is years in the making. You've been a trainer for years.
Yeah, about 20 years. Thank you, Tim, for putting us on here. Yeah, Sniff Industries is about a 4-year-old company that's about 17 years in the making.
Nice.
And we've spent some time making a detection training device or a system that really promotes a stronger association and a more efficient way of training detection dogs.
That's awesome. Yeah, show us how this technology works as far as what it's capable of
Sure,
helping out with.
we have a couple of basic components to this system. We have a reward box and we have a decoy box here. The reward box contains our training aids, and where we reinforce the behaviors we want with detection training. So in this particular setup here, we're set up as a ground box. We have a nice stable base here that you can work the box on the ground. Or if you don't want to do that training, you have an opportunity to rotate a couple of latches and pick the box up and hang it on a fence or a wall, as you see back here.
Very good.
So you got some good versatility there as far as your particular training exercise that you want to do. The nuts and bolts of this box is you have a training aid compartment back here behind this gate where you can secure your training aids back here to where your dog can't get to the actual material, but you have a good presentation of odor right here, a nice volume of odor or a sample of the trained odor that you want the dog to respond to. So one of the unique things about this patented design is it's a remote reward system, but we pay the dog in odor. So the dog gets the quicker, more proper association that odor is what pays. So with the push of the button,
it's an instant.
Whatever you reward your dog with falls into trained odor, always drawing your dog to trained odor, giving it that value, the trained odor, the value that you're looking for and spending time to teach the dog anyway. The other great thing about this device is your whatever your reward is, whether it's a hand grenade on a rope or a pipe or a towel or food or whatever it is, this particular system will deliver your reward. So it's a gravity feed system. Timing's perfect because it's remote. The remote is very, very accurate and very consistent, and it's an easy transition from pay the dog, reload it, and go again, which gives you an opportunity to have a lot of reps in one training session. The more reps you get, the more imprinting you get on the odors that you're trying to train the dog to respond to. It's a 12-volt rechargeable system with a charging port right here. System works for days on end before you have to recharge it.
You got about 100-foot range or so?
About 100 foot, which you would obviously never need, but you know, whatever happens there. With much detection training or a lot of detection training, you not only spend time with teaching your dog what you want him to do, but what you don't want him to do. So we use the decoy box over here where we place other distractor items in the decoy box, such as rewards and dog food and other things that may create behavioral issues in your detection that you don't want your dog to exhibit. So this is the opportunity to teach Fluffy what not to do versus what to do. So here he gets a good sample of toy odor and whatnot, but I don't want him responding to toy odor. I want him responding to trained odor.
I see.
So he learns not to respond to that and to respond to this. And that kind of gives you the well-rounded picture of the system.
I like it. And man, keep up the good work on the development of products like this. This is a huge help on the training world. So.
Thank you very much. It's worked well for us over the years, and we look forward to making it available to everybody and enhance training. That's why we come to these things.
So we're right on same with us with the gunshot box system. Anything we can do to help these dogs be more effective and protect our lives, basically, it comes down to. So
yeah,
good job. Keep up the great work.
Will do.
We'll look forward to seeing more products come from you guys. So.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.